I think it's really important for students of English to know all sorts of songs because, well, that's how we learn vocabulary. Here's a word, blessed, bright, blessed days. That means like God bless you, may things go well with you. And then we have sacred, which is like holy. So here's a song that Louis Armstrong sang. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see 'em bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, bright blessed days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Okay, so free English lessons at gmail.com if you want to talk about these songs. You know, what song would you like to sing? What song do you want to learn about? That's why we go to gmail.com. And see, what we're looking for is they're missing apostrophe in there and saying. And then we need another apostrophe somewhere, right? I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? So there should be a question mark there. Thank you for your information and your interest.